Today I'm taking a look at the Goldblatt 10-piece 1/4-inch hole saw. It's kind of cool, so it actually comes with a little screw top case, and there are hole saws. And if you look in there, it appears that we already have cooling gel inside. Got a nice foam holder there on the bottom. It's a very nice case. And it looks like the cooling gel actually goes all the way through the bit. That is coated about 1/4 inch down, so we got plenty of coating on there. And it's also labeled on the side Goldblatt Diamond 1/4 inch or 6mm. So here I have a tile. It does have a nice glazed finish there on the top. It is important to note that this style is designed to be used with a drill. There are such a thing that can actually go onto a grinder. Grinders spin faster, so they're going to cut faster, but not necessarily every DIYer is going to have a grinder. Almost every DIYer is going to have a drill. Now you can do this wet or you can do this dry. It does not matter. If you do it wet, you're going to have less dust kicking around, so it is usually preferred to do that. But we do have the cooling gel in here, so I'm going to try to do it like this. I'm going to start out by touching it down at an angle to get it started. And you do want to make sure that you have your drill at your highest speed. There we go. So it actually worked much faster than I was expecting. With a drill, usually takes like a minute or two. I guess that is going to depend on the thickness of the material you're drilling through, but we put a hole right through that guy. Very nice. So if you need a simple 1/4 inch hole, that will do it. Overall, that is an excellent set of hole saws.